Okay, Nothing is rolling out a new update for Nothing Phone 3 users, and this time it actually brings some useful changes. Along with that, we also get to see a lot of bug fixes. So here I have my Nothing Phone 3, and if I go to the About section, you can see it's still the Nothing OS 4.0 version. Build number ends with 1135, though it's still on 1st Jan 2026 security patch. I received an OT update on my device, so here you can see this was that update which includes some new feature, general improvement and bug fixes. So if you take a look at this size is 381 MB for my Nothing Phone 3. If you guys haven't received the OTA update, you guys can manually check by going to the About section, because sometimes you don't get to see the notification on Nothing Phone. Just go to the software information and tap on Nothing OS. Here you will see the update for your Nothing Phone. Now before talking about the changes guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So one by one, let's talk about the changelogs now. So the first one is related to glyph metrics, which says caller and charging progress can now be shown on the glyph metrics by shaking your phone. To enable that, you have to go to settings. So let's go to settings. From here, let's go to glyph interface. If you scroll down, go inside flip to glyph, and here you have got two new options. One is reveal caller ID and the second one is charging meter. So these two options were not there. And if you see the description, it says gently wiggle your device side to side while face down to see who is calling. So I'll just show you an example. I'll lock the device. So if the screen is locked and my device is facing down, and if I'm getting any call, later on if I just shake the device, I'll be able to see the caller ID name. I mean the caller ID of that particular person who is calling on my device. So here you can see that text or the name of the person who is calling me. And it doesn't work if you have kept your device on the flat surface. So here I have kept my device. If I shake the device, you can see it's not displaying the caller ID. So the phone has to be lifted and it has to face upside down, and then you shake it, you'll be able to see the caller ID. After that, they say they have added the charging meter option also. Similar way, you have to shake the device to see the battery percentage, or you can say charging meter. So let's turn off the screen. I'll plug in the charger, and now if I shake the device, you can see the charging meter can be seen here in the glyph matrix. So here they have added these two things. And if you see the last change, by the way, this change did not appear on my device yet, but some users have already confirmed that they have got this feature. Maybe it's a server-side update, so gradually it will be coming on almost all the devices. I mean the Nothing Phone 3, which says Essential app now features a recommendation section in the widgets library, providing quicker access to Nothing Playground to discover AI-powered community creation. So here, whatever the community members have created, I mean the apps or widgets for the glyph metrics, that can be easily accessed. So if I go to widget section here, you can see here I don't have any recommendation section, but you can see that screenshot which was shared by an user on the Twitter, they have already received. If you guys have Nothing Phone 3, let me know in the comment section below whether you guys have got that thing or not. After that, they have done a lot of bug fixes and general improvement. First one is now apps in private space are now available to update via Google Play Store. So previously the apps which were inside the private space, maybe the update doesn't used to appear in the Google Play Store, but now if you have added any application, that app update can be downloaded from the Google Play Store itself without unlocking the application. Then they have optimized the weather widget and few optimizations related to ringtone performance for better stability and compatibility with third-party applications. I personally never faced any kind of issues. Then they have also enhanced the camera stability. You can take a look at the video. We did check out, there were no issues like the camera preview getting freeze while switching between the portrait mode and the normal mode. And at last they have enhanced the overall network stability, enhanced overall system stability. So basically there are only 3 new changes what they have done. Other than that, everything are bug fixes and general improvement. So guys, this was all about the latest update for Nothing Phone 3. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.